comes across little things. And Andrea, let me just zoom out a little bit, if I can do so without all my bits and bobs coming into the screen. Today I'm just making this cute little card. I'm doing something I've not done before, and that is I'm using some fabric on my card. Ooh, it's really exciting for me. Might not be so exciting for you. I got these sheets of self-adhesive fabric in a, I don't know if it's a prize or a giveaway. I think they were from Jackie McKissick, I'm not sure. And I absolutely loved them, but I didn't really know how to use them. And then I thought, oh, I'm going to try and use them. When I've been sorting out my stash, I've come across lots of bits and bobs, and I've thought, oh, I need to use these. So I'm going to use them in making a card. Now, I've recently, I think I showed you this, I have showed you this before, this little stamp and die set from Clearly Besotted that got on resale. These little animals in it. And I've used this little hedgehog and Looking Sharp. I'm just going to send this as a rack out to somebody. And I've got the little dies that go with this. So the dies cut out the animals and the leaves there. So all I've done is I've kept it really simple. I chose this design, which is this one but in different colours. And all I did was I folded it, and I just drew a heart shape on and cut out a heart from the fabric. I could have used a die. I was going to use a die originally, and then I thought, oh no, why mess about with a die? I can just use scissors and do it that way. And I'm using this paper, which is, I think it's from, I can't remember what it's called now, but it was last year's Stampin' Up main catalogue. It was like, it had lots of animals and tropical sort of scenery on it. So I'm using this, which is like a little sort of abstract little pattern on the other side. And I've just stamped out the hedgehog and in Memento Black, and I've just used the die to cut him out. Actually my die slipped and it's not quite perfect, but who cares. So I'm going to layer that onto there. I'm going to put my fabric heart on there. This has like a peel off back, and I'm hoping that I can fray it a little bit, but I don't know if I can or not, so you'll be the witness to whether I can or not. And I'm going to put my hedgehog on, and then I printed out stamped out Looking Sharp, just on a piece of Whisper White, and using Memento Black, and I just cut it out, and I just zigzag cut the top just with a pair of scissors. And then I got another piece of the DSP and a little piece of the white again, just to make a little sentiment that I'm going to put there. Now for measurements, the base measures 4 by 4, the DSP measures 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. For the little sentiment, this piece measures 1 1/4 by 1 1/4, and the DSP measures, this measures 1 3/8 by 1 1/4, and this measures 1 1/4 by 1, and this little piece here, if we go to the top of the points, measures 1 1/16 by 15/16. So there we go, it's like that. And so I'm just going to pop it together. I'm going to use some Tombow, I think. And there we go. I think I might move my hedgehog up a little bit, put him in the middle. There we go. Such a cute. That'd be nice for a boy as well. You want to send a little card to a boy, I guess. So yeah, I didn't burnish my fold, but never mind. So there's that little card there using that fabric. I think it gives it a little bit of something to touch, makes it a bit tactile. And thanks for joining me, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye bye.